Yes, you're welcome to another class. And today we'll be looking at how to install WordPress on your cPanel or any other hosting that supports WordPress. So, of course, to enter into your cPanel login area, all you just have to do is your domain. So, your domain.com/cpanel. So most times it's going to take you to where you log in into your cPanel. So for the sake of this program, so I already have a cPanel logged in already, but once you're there, just enter your username and your password. So once you are in the cPanel area, you see a lot of tools here. And what you probably looking for or what you should look out for is where you see WordPress or where you see something like WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or where you just see Softaculous. That's what you're looking for. Or you simply just look for WordPress, this WordPress, and under script, you could see WordPress here. So whichever one you want to click, you could click it. But I advise that you click WordPress under applications or WordPress under script. So once you click on Softaculous. So once you click on the WordPress or Softaculous, it takes you down here, and here you could see that the install button is already indicated here. So you could click on install button, and then it asks you which domain you want to install on. Of course, to get here to see domain connected to your hosting, you probably have to talk to your hosting manager and the rest, but I assume that you've done that. So from here, you could now click on any particular hosting you want to install WordPress on. And in these directories, if you want your WordPress, where you put in your WordPress to have a directory. A directory is like a subdivision or a new page. Let's say you're saying Salios Systems slash, let's say this is technology. So, or so it could be anything. It could be technology. It could be business. It could be an aspect, an arm of that program. But if you want it installed in the normal default directory, which is sadiosystem.com, all you just have to do is leave this place blank. But if you, for the sake of this lecture, I'm going to be putting it practice. So, and then you could select your WordPress version and the rest. There are things that determines the WordPress version that you should use, but by default, you should just stick with the updated and the latest WordPress. Then here you choose your admin name, username, and then your password. So I'm just going to change this to password and the rest. So, and then you then here you could select your theme here, but I advise that you might not disturb yourself selecting your theme here. So we'll talk about to get to the point where you select your theme. Just click install and then start noticing the process and the progress of your installation. And once it's done, it tells you that your admin, your site is done. So to see the site, you could come here and then you see the site that you've installed. And to get into the backend, all you just have to do is the URL /wp admin with your assisting with the emails, with the username and password that you created. I hope this is helpful. That's how to get your WordPress installed. See you in the next class.